and next, maybe everyone can design your home page. I just to add a list of for logout. So we must to design the page. And in the page, you can use a div for the header, and in the header you can add some text for the name of your system, and or some login logo, and in the right is a logout, something for logout. You can like this, and in the main, we can use as main, and the main you can use in the first site for navigation or menu. Okay, menu, and the menu we usually use a side in VUE, in element UI, and then it's the main. And the last is the footer of the system. Okay, so in the vertical we can divide to 3 parts: header, and the main, and the footer. Okay, and in the main, this is main, and in the main we can divide two columns. One is a site, the other is main. Okay. So in element UI, you can to find the container. It's in layout. Container. The wiper tag is EL container. Then EL header, EL aside, EL main, EL footer, and this is the result and some code. Here you can copy one. We can see the first is header and main, then header, main, footer. Okay, so I can show the EL content header, main. This is header, main, and footer. So we must have this one first in our main home. And then the main we must to divide to divide and two part, and then we can say the aside and main, aside and main, hide, aside and main. This one we can find the hide, aside main and main. So we can see in the after the header, it's used like this. So here, the main we must to design like this. This is the three part header, and the main we use another container, and then inner is EL main and EL aside, and the footer. Then we should to add the style. I just to add more here. Okay, save. No. In the header, we can use the EL drop down in the header, and the div in the outside. And then it's the home, we can see like this. And if you don't like the color, you can to change to some pictures or some other color. Okay. And the following is the aside for menu, and the menu there's example we can to refer. In the menu aside, this is the menu. Okay, EL menu. So you just to copy the EL menu, and to your slide. This there is something there are two level menu in the aside, and if you don't need the someone, you can change to what you want to have. The first I will to add to use default of font opened 1 and 3. We can see if I finished this one and 3 is open, and if you needn't to open, you just to delete this one, and here you just to give nothing value. Then it's like this. And you can change the title of this picture. We need to add. The first is staff management.
Yes.
So you can change to this, and any other is then we need to have we needn't the manual we needn't the menu item group, so I will to delete. Okay. Until here, I will to delete. More wider. Okay. We can see the cell. Okay, the style I will to change the staff management must be the template content, not the eyes content. Just now I add to here, so the position of the style there's something wrong. Okay, and I just to clean the group 1. I have to delete. And finish the home page. It's the result like this. And in the header, I add two div, and the header I give the class I want to justify the content by space between. Okay, and then the sub-div, the two sub-div will one is in left and one is in left, one is in right. And here in the the two div, I also to add the display is inline. Then the div will be horizon row, and one is left, the other is right. And in the menu, because staff management, attendance management, and reverse publish element, it's just have no sub menu. So here I change like this. 1, 2, 3. This menu just I use el menu item, and in the for system management, because we have two sub menu, so here I use for el sub menu and menu item group. Okay, so here is my home page. Everyone can refer. Today our class is over, and we just to have finished two functions. One is log out, and one is to design the home page. Okay. I hope every group will to finish and following the process. Okay.
感谢老师，我们做这样展示。